Hi, this is Saroja Subramanian, 72 years old, retired college professor living in Vashi with my husband. I have two daughters, both are married and staying abroad. I want to share my experience and interaction with Dr. Rita Ji. During pandemic, I and my husband don't step out of the house for fear of contracting COVID. And suddenly my husband developed a health issue. He started passing blood in stool. We panicked. We didn't know what to do. We didn't want to go to the doctor. We didn't want to go to the hospital. But fortunately, I was in Rita Gandhi's group and I wrote to her. And she gave a simple remedy from household materials and I started giving him that. And believe me, within 2 days, the bleeding stopped and there was no looking back. And subsequently also, I consulted her for some health issues of my relatives, and all the remedies she gave were simple and worked beautifully. And since then, I have become an ardent follower and fan of Dr. Rita Ji. She announced a course in the WhatsApp group, Nutrition Re-Education, and I just jumped at it. And it was a 10 weeks course, but comprising of syllabus which is worth 6 months to 1 year. In that, she taught us all aspects of naturotherapy. She believes you are what you eat. So she told us about the body clock, how, when, and what to eat. She also taught us the detox programs of liver and kidney, and also fasting, the methods of fasting, when to fast, how to stop fasting, etc. etc. She also taught us different therapies, mud therapy, chromotherapy, water therapy, juice therapy, etc. along with even acupressure and many home remedies. She also discussed with us the various affirmations, what we should tell ourselves, because she believes in the coordination of mind, body and soul, without which there cannot be a wholesome health. Then she announced classes on herbs and remedies at the request of some of us. And there she discussed with us the medicinal values of not only the day-to-day herbs which we use in the day cooking, but also almost all types of herbs, including some Italian herbs like basil, celery, parsley, etc. And she also told us how to use them, which form we should use them, whether it is juice or decoction or powder, so that we get a healthy and wholesome life. And ever since, whenever I enter the kitchen, I think what to cook today so that it is interesting, delicious as well as healthy. My husband also started enjoying the cooking, and he used to come to the dining table with a lot of anticipation what's going to be today's menu. Then came the classes on radiant skin. It's not as simple as skin deep, they say. It is more intense than that. There are various types of skin and also levels of skin which she taught us, and all possible related issues about skin, whether it is acne or simple rashes or psoriasis, alopecia, urticaria, so many skin ailments she made us aware of, and remedies for them. And remedies not very difficult but simple, with materials available either at home or which can be procured very easily. And all these the remedies which she has herself tried. And in addition to that, she also gave us a lot of packs which all women would like to possess. So it was a very interesting class, and again consisting of only about 5 classes, in which she stuffed in so many information and remedies. I always had a longing to learn Reiki. I was curious also, and I was also serious about it. But I didn't know how to go about it. When I came to know that Dr. Rita Gandhi is a grandmaster in Reiki, I requested her to take classes for me, and she made me practice. She taught me level 1 and 2 of Reiki, and I am practicing it every day for a very peaceful, healthy life. With all these things, and she said that before I go to next higher levels, I have to wait at least for 6 months, and I am eagerly waiting to learn the next higher levels from her. And with all these learning from her, there's a lot of change in my lifestyle, and incorporating all the principles of holistic way of life, I find in myself a lot of changes. I have become more energetic, and I'm doing all the household works without any servant, mind you, at this age. And also I'm very peaceful, I'm calm, and I get good sleep, and I'm generally very healthy in spite of all the disturbing and upsetting news about the pandemic and related issues which are hammered in the TV every day. In spite of that, I am not upset that much. I know how to take them seriously and calmly. The whole credit goes to Rita ji. She is doing incredible service to humanities during this pandemic time, and I wish that she continues to do that, and may God give her good health and happiness and cheer to prolong this. And as an elder to her, I also want to give her my heartfelt blessings. Thank you.